Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In NumPy, the numpy.unique function is a powerful tool that allows you to find the unique elements of an array. One of its useful features is the ability to find unique values along a specified axis. This can be particularly beneficial when working with multidimensional arrays. Understanding numpy.unique. The basic syntax of numpy.unique is as follows. Parameters. ARR, input array from which to find unique values. Return_index, if true, also return the indices of the unique array in the input array. Return_inverse, if true, also return the indices of the input array that can be used to reconstruct the unique array. Return_counts, if true, also return the number of times each unique value appears in the input array. Axis, the axis along which to find unique values. If none, the input array is flattened. Example, finding unique values along an axis. Let's consider a 2D array as an example. We will find the unique values along both the rows, axis equals 0, and the columns, axis equals 1. Code example. Explanation of the code. 1. Import NumPy. We start by importing the NumPy library. 2. Create an array. We create a 2D NumPy array named data. 3. Find unique rows. We call np.unique, with axis equals 0 to find unique rows. This means it will consider each column individually and return only the unique rows. 4. Find unique columns. We call np.unique, with axis equals 1 to find unique columns. This means it will consider each row individually and return only the unique columns. Output. When you run the above code, you should see output similar to this. Conclusion. The numpy.unique function is a versatile tool for finding unique values in NumPy arrays, and the ability to specify an axis allows for greater control when working with multidimensional data. Whether you are cleaning data, analyzing results, or just exploring your arrays, numpy.unique can be a valuable addition to your data analysis toolkit.